In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert 3D to 2D drawing in AutoCAD. We're going to take a 3D object and create a clean 2D representation of it using a built-in tool. This method projects your model exactly as you see it on screen. So the very first thing we'll do is set up the view. Use the navigation cube to snap to a view you like, or hold Shift and press the middle mouse button to orbit until the object is framed the way you want. Take a moment here. Your chosen viewing angle will define the final 2D result. If you're after a true front, top, or right view, align to those orthographic faces before moving on. It also helps to zoom in and make sure no other geometry overlaps your object. Next, select the entire 3D object. Drag a window around it or click each part to ensure everything that should appear in the 2D drawing is included. The command we're about to run only flattens what's selected, so accuracy here matters. Now type FLATSHOT on the command line and press Enter. The FLATSHOT window will appear. This tool captures the current view of your selected 3D geometry and converts it into 2D line work. In the dialog, choose Insert as New Block. This tells AutoCAD to generate the 2D projection and place it as a reusable block in your drawing. Before creating, you can review the parameters in the window, things like whether hidden lines should be shown or suppressed, and how visible and hidden lines are styled. If you're unsure, the defaults produce a clear, usable result for most cases. Click Create. You'll be prompted on screen to specify an insertion point along with scale and rotation. You can click to place it or just keep pressing Enter to accept the defaults and drop it at a convenient spot. I recommend placing it a little away from the 3D model so the line work is easy to see. At this point, AutoCAD has created a 2D block representing your model from that exact viewpoint. If you want to place additional copies of this 2D view, type Insert, press Enter, and select the newly created block from the list. Set your insertion point, scale, and rotation as needed, and click to place it in your drawing. This is especially handy if you want the same view at multiple scales or in different locations. And that's all. Adjust your view, select the 3D object, run FLATSHOT, create a new block, and place it. Repeat the process for other viewpoints to build a full set of two 2D views from your model.